Okay, one of the blocks for our small group training for this Sunday is teaching some of our basic defensive concepts. For our girls program, a couple of basic things that we pretty much want every team to focus on and use as the basis for the foundation for their defense is to defend the eight. Get this, get the girls to understand that the most important thing is that is where you're defending. You're not defending a girl. You're not kind of in an area. That 8 meter is your that's what you're guarding. That's what you're defending. You're protecting it. Contact every time there's somebody with the ball inside the 8. They need to feel somebody on them. You're not jamming them with the stick, cross-checking or anything like that, but your skin on their skin. You're not letting them proceed any closer to the goal. You have to physically stop them from getting to the goal when they're inside the 8. I think most of our coaches will agree that we're going to force away from the middle all the time, or at least as a basis of our defense. There may be times where we decide to take away a side from somebody who's a strong dodger, either righty or lefty. But generally speaking, we're going to force out, so deny the middle. I yell all the time. My girls are always hearing me yell, no middle, especially when the ball's up top. If you do get beat, you basically have two choices. You could try to, get back quick and double team that ball. Hopefully someone slid to your girl. But generally, if the ball moves and you've been beaten, recover to the inside. Get inside, find somebody in there. That's where the damage is going to get done. And mark somebody up who's inside and then work your way out to find somebody else if need be. Some language things that we should go over. I mean, it's pretty simple, but when you're on ball, you got ball. When you're off ball, you need to be communicating where you are. So I got your help right, I got your help left. You want to yell slide if you're sliding, so that the people behind you know that they also have to move. They have to slide up one. Crash is a call that goalies are making a lot of the time, or you can make from the sideline, or a good player, a defender who's who's kind of heads up and maybe a leader out there, recognizing when everybody needs to crash to the ball. And for my team, what we do, we call dog for a double team if we have a situation where we either need to get the ball back, or we, maybe we see a matchup that we like and we want to try to take advantage of that. We press up on the adjacents and we go double the ball. All right, that's that.